See, we're here now at this is Eternal Memorial Park. JC, hold on, hold it. Okay, JC, and then swing. Try it. Just swing. And there's mom. There's your mom. She is jogging right now. Okay, and we are only walking, JC.
And kind of jogging.
Yeah, kind of jogging. Okay, so sit comfortable.
Yeah, but there's ants there. Let's go there.
Where? Okay, you try it there. But be careful. There's also a swing in here, but it's very ano. How about that? Oh, that one is kind of small. Oh, yeah. How about that? Is there any ants?
Yeah, no, nothing.
Okay, try to swing. Try to feel the swing right now.
Yeah,
Do you like it?
yeah, but this is for your legs.
Okay.
And there's a seesaw.
Yes, there's also a seesaw in here. So there you have it. We are now here at Eternal Memorial.
Because we want
Uh,
jogging.
we are we go here around 5 o'clock and then
This is my favorite
magja-jogging kami. We will make it to the point na we will jog siguro 5 rounds at a time, 5 na ikot. That's equivalent I think to 5 kilometers dahil maluwag naman yung lugar. So yan, there's JC. She's been bored sa bahay, so sumama siya sa amin. And we're waiting for Ate at Holy Spirit. So yan, dito muna kami tatambay. And the time is already around, I think it's 5:30 p.m. So 30 minutes time, gagabihin na. It's going to be dark in here. So JC, just enjoy before it's get dark, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Say goodbye to the viewers.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.